Solar energy irrigation is the result of years of innovation in photovoltaic application. Please meet Home Field Solar Farm. This project delivered by the Pure Investment in conjunction with Jntech China. This system is running 168 kilowatt power, driving a 120 horsepower water pump and 600 meter center pivot. We built this solution for all commercial farmers and also created a new capacity for the growing demand of electricity all over the world with the most sustainable and cost-effective manner. Solar has always been the cheapest source of energy. We live in a world with limited resource. While conventional power replaced by the solar energy, we believe something can't be replaced.